Yes, even as we are speaking to you right now and we are broadcasting from our Delhi studio, there are tremors being felt in Delhi right now. We are awaiting more details as to what really is the intensity of these tremors that we are also feeling as we speak right now in Delhi. And we will also be connecting with more of our reporters to figure out whether these tremors are being felt in the entire NCR region, but these are fresh tremors being felt in Delhi. Just about yesterday, let's not forget that there were tremors also felt in Nepal, and in fact the intensity of those tremors were 4.2 on the Richter scale. But even as we speak to you, there is these tremors which are being felt in Delhi right now, also in parts of NCR. We are given to understand, and these are visuals we are getting to you from inside our office, and even as we speak we could actually feel those tremors, and we are given to understand that parts of NCR and Assam also experienced these tremors. Still trying to figure out what could be the intensity of these tremors, but these are tremors being felt in Delhi. Also now reports coming in from Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. These are fresh tremors being felt in Delhi. More reports, remember, are still being awaited, but there you can see these are visuals from inside our Times Now studio in Delhi, where you can see perhaps those lights that you can see on your screens did actually shake, but these were quake tremors, and we actually did feel that. The epicenter of this quake, we are given to now understand, was in Afghanistan. Still awaiting more details from the IMD and more of our reporters who will just join us in a bit to get us more details about that. And these tremors have been felt as far as in West Bengal, also in parts of Assam, and even as we speak to you right now, more details are being awaited. And Reuters, these are still unconfirmed reports, but I'm quoting to you what Reuters right now is saying, that a strong earthquake has been felt in Kathmandu, and the epicenter, we are given to understand, has been in Afghanistan. Still awaiting, remember, more details, because this is a developing story. But yes, we have felt these tremors in Delhi. Also given to understand now that these tremors have also been felt in Bihar, in West Bengal, also in parts of Assam. Still awaiting more details also from the IMD as to what really was the intensity of this earthquake and where really this originated from. But according to what we are given to understand, and let me also add that these are only initial information we are getting to understand, but what the Reuters website right now quotes is that these tremors were felt at around 12:35 p.m. They measured 6.9 on the Richter scale.
I'm told we have Mr. S.P. Shukla who's with us at this point of time. Mr. Shukla, thanks for joining us. Can you give us more details on this tremor that was felt just a short while back? Mr. Shukla, if you can hear me, he is official from the IMD who is joining us at this point of time. Mr. Shukla, can you share more details that you have of the tremors that were felt in Delhi?
Hello?
Yes, Mr. Shukla, go ahead, we can hear you. Can you give us more details?
Hello, I'm not checking your audio properly. Hello?
Can you hear me, Mr. Shukla?
Yeah.
Can you please tell us more details on the tremors that were felt in Delhi?
Yeah, that is tremors felt in Delhi also, but this shock was in Nepal, that is magnitude 7.1, southeast of Kathmandu, around 50 kilometers southeast of Kathmandu.
I will tell our viewers and update them that southeast of Kathmandu, Mr. Shukla, that the epicenter of earthquake was felt. Is that right?